wanna sail away? I wanna sail away. Do you wanna sail away with me today? Do you wanna sail away?
What are we doing today, guys?
Dinghy day!
Dinghy day! Where are our manners? Welcome to Layla's new home. This is the Harbor Inn and Marina in Stuart, Florida. It was built in 1976, and from what we can tell, it hasn't changed much since. It also features a straight-up 60s motel and the deck restaurant, where the beers are cold, the sunsets draw a crowd, and the burgers are available for purchase. We loved its old-school vibe right away. It's laid back, it's peaceful, and thanks to a sunken wreck in the slips across from us, courtesy of some past hurricane, accounts differ. Our sunset view is wide open.
And now that we're here, it's time to get ready to leave again. This time for the Bahamas. So we needed a dinghy. Yeah.
It's dinghy day.
We just pulled the dinghy down the dock and it's hot.
It's real hot.
So we're taking a break.
Somehow I feel like the dog is hotter than we are. He's supposed to be a Louisiana dog. We got us a dinghy. It's a used dinghy we got on Craigslist. I managed to find a dinghy and a motor together from one seller. His boat that he's living on is a giant power boat. The only reason they're selling this dinghy is because they moved up to a Boston whaler.
As a dinghy.
As a dinghy. So we get their dinghy that was only maybe a year and a half old and only used on a few trips to the Bahamas. And a 2016 Yamaha 2-stroke, 4 horsepower. There's the dinghy up there on our cart. The thing weighs a ton. But as of yet, we've never blown it up or started the motor, so.
And can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
I'm really bad at dinghy driving, so.
Nonsense. You're amazing at dinghy driving.
Do you remember our wedding when I tried to take everybody out on that deck at Foxy's? So we're going to work on me learning how to dinghy drive.
Well, I think it might have more to do with what you do before you try to drive the dinghy.
I don't know what you're talking about. Pee my pants?
Did you pee your pants before you drove the dinghy?
No, I did it when we ran into the dock.
God. I don't know if any of this is going to make it on the video.
It's not. I laughed really hard.
It probably is going to make it on the video.
Anyway.
So, this is one day that we're kind of hoping the cloud cover sets in a little bit because it's hot. We're going to get this thing blown up and put the motor on and take her for a spin, hopefully.
Lately I've been thinking about the end of time and whether I could write a song so true that you'd be mine, mine, mine. It's worth a try. My mind's been drifting towards the end of days, but I can reel it back if you decide you want to stay, stay, stay. No time to waste. I don't want this to end before it ever begins.
Oars.
What'd you call me?
Nice seat. So I think we're going to want to lay it with the bow out, the bow to bow. We need to inflate the tubes partially, inflate the keel all the way, and then inflate the floor partially. And then you sort of snuggle the floor in and get it in spot, and then you fill up everything.
Okay.
So yeah, let's do that.
I've been reading articles that peddle fear of overpopulation, climate change. The end is near, or so I hear. Though the singularity can make me scream, I bet your clarity could turn my nightmares into dreams, and then the scenes.
You want some
Hey, you want some-
Gatorade?
Yep.
Yeah.
We all need that.
After inflating, we discovered there was a leak in the floor.
See the bubbles bubbling? That's it right there.
Sweet. I mean, not
Hopefully
sweet.
that's the only one.
Yeah.
Well, we got a patch kit just for that. Not more.
See anything?
Cleaning our floor too. We're at it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very good.
You know, we found a leak. Hopefully it's the only leak.
Yeah.
Start.
Yep.
Alright, well, we got this just basic PVC repair kit from West Marine. It was like $10, I think, for 2 patches. I don't think they're like hardcore patches, but hopefully it'll do the trick. If it doesn't, we'll find something that's got like adhesive with it. Comes with little alcohol swabs.
Ooh, it's a big old patch for that.
Yep. Supposed to extend at least an inch outward on every side. So.
Do we have to let it sit or anything?
It said ready to go within minutes. That's it, as far as we know. Kind of a bummer that it's on the edge like that, because this takes some abuse, which I guess is probably why it's on the edge. You gotta like cram it down in the edges of the,
Yeah.
under the tubes.
Now we know what to look for.
Yeah. So, let that sit for a few minutes and try again. Okay, never started before. I just gave it a couple pumps. We got fresh gas. Pretty sure that's the choke.
Hi. What you doing? Careful. Come on. No.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Back up, you don't have your life jacket on. I don't see any water spitting out the back.
It doesn't come out of the water, I think.
Okay.
With a storm fast approaching and our motor not working correctly, we called it a day and hoisted the dinghy back on deck.
They're gross.
Join us for our next maintenance short as we take the motor apart and try and figure out what went wrong.
Please take a moment to like and subscribe.
And be sure to follow us on social media.
Thanks for watching. Cheers!